guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with my dad. Say what's up.
Hello, what's up?
Okay, alright. So we out here car shopping today. We're gonna see what we can find. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And let's get into this. Right. Because I think my Accord was like, what, 2, 3?
Nah, he can probably get you. That guy can probably get you in the 3s on a sedan, on a car, BMW car.
Yeah. Oh, this is nice. I like the black then. This is cute. Oh, I like these seats. What kind of what kind is this? 5? It does what? Oh yeah.
No, $500-$600 car.
No.
You know what I'm saying?
That's
So,
too much.
Get you around
3, 4.
400, no more than 4. You gotta probably.
Y'all, this is cute. This is a 2017 BMW. Da 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 da. It's a good size. Ooh. Huh? My dad talking about I can't get a Range Rover. What's wrong with it? Oh, it's messed up. I'm gonna get me one. Watch. Give me like a year.
Jeep over to the right.
Where? Oh no, I don't like that style Jeep. No, these are ugly. What is this?
You gotta make sure
No.
that's too big for you.
Yeah, I want a big body car.
All that room.
Yeah. This? Fire. Okay. I need some kids to have this. What? No. Is this too much body? How much is the gas? You think it's that expensive? Oh, the door open?
It's gonna be more than,
Let me see the inside. Ooh. Dad, this is not that much room. Look at this. That's not a lot?
Not a lot. And guess what you was getting in the Accord?
40.
You're right about close to 40.
Dang.
So you're gonna be gassing it up. You get on that road.
Okay, but this is sleek.
It's nice.
She nice. You got a big trunk.
What you need a big trunk for?
What you mean I got
Yeah,
stuff?
this right here, you're gonna have too much trunk. What's this?
Oh,
You got all
shoot.
that.
I don't say that side number. Oh, right here?
Yeah,
Is that it?
get this stuff. Take a picture.
Stop. 170. Yeah, but.
All this stuff stays over. I got some surgery, some pan off.
Surgeries?
Yeah, I had the surgery on my back and stuff.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Y'all, it's hot. My dad been talking the whole time. What y'all think? This too manly? BMW and the Jeep and yeah, that's it. Okay. Oh, okay, okay. Okay, I like the Audi though. It's a cute body. It is. I agree. Ooh, she's cute. Yeah. This the one. This the one right here. I like the Q3. Look at this, y'all. Get into it. Let's get some help. This really the one right here. That's what we're gonna get. For real? This one just as nice. Probably. Because you didn't set it down anyway.
How much is this one?
I'll tell you right now.
The gray is nice. 2.0 Team Q3.
Again, I'm just ballparking it.
Cool. Well, let's let her drive this. You like this color?
Yeah, I want to drive it. Let's get it.
So what else you have? This is all you got.
This is it.
Our
Pre-owned
inventory is
white.
cars are flying off the lot right now.
So just show me, okay? Show the inside too.
I am. You gotta show the car first.
Oh, okay. This is nice. It's roomy.
The inside.
Yeah. This is nice.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You want to start it up?
Real spacious.
Yes, so you know, y'all be scratching stuff up.
Yeah.
Yes. No, so that's why we put that there.
Oh, sorry.
Shoving stuff in here. Yep. Electronic trunk.
Yeah, this is nice. So, we're trying to decide. I'm about to go look at some BMWs now just to see their body style because I like the roundness of the Audis though. Like, I like that's like smooth, real cute. So, I'll go to BMW and see what they're working with over there.
Is that utility size is really good as far as rear seating room. I can sit very comfortably at 6'2", no worries about headroom, leg room. But it still sits kind of low to where it feels almost like you're driving a sedan.
Right. Ooh, the interior is nice.
Bad though.
Yeah, nice cargo space. And you have additional under storage space as well.
Okay. No, I like the X1 size. I've never heard of X2.
It's a little smaller because the roof line is sloped back.
It's hot. Alright. Hey you guys, so that wraps up the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed a little car shopping with my dad. I'm really just trying to figure out which car I want at this point. I really just want a car that's sturdy, safe, number one, because everything that happened. So if y'all have any recommendations or what y'all think car wise I should get, please leave that down below. And I'll be making my decision very soon, so y'all stay tuned to see what whip I'm finna be driving. So I love y'all, thank y'all for tuning in, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.